Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm going to do a couple smaller grocery hauls this week just because Grady is off from school and does not start summer camp till next week. So until then, I'm going to have a couple smaller hauls like I said. This one's from Walmart. I got some Quaker fruit and cream, like heart healthy variety pack oatmeal because I want to start eating breakfast in the morning. I need to get better about that. And I do like this oatmeal, so I grabbed a box of that. I got one of these Jurassic World travel, or I don't even know if it's travel, but like a smaller portable Lego set. I'm actually going to hide this. Grady did not see it when we were at Walmart today. So I'm going to hide this away because we're going camping next month and I want to have a couple small little items like this to keep him busy when we have some downtime. I got a big box of the Ziploc gallon size slider bags. That was the only size I'm out of. I got some chocolate chip Teddy Grahams, some Delectables cat food for the cat, Stonyfield organic yogurt tubes, cherry and berry, a couple of these Kleenex wet wipes. These are in the larger pack. Usually I buy the travel size, which I think has like 30 or 25. These have, let's see, 56 in each. So it's a bigger pack, which is great. I got a big thing of arugula and spinach, the organic mix. Some of the Dial sweet watermelon soap. I actually got this specifically because I had $1 off coupon on any Dial hand soap. So this was like 50 cents, I believe, with that coupon. I got some Gatorade fruit punch. This is the low sugar or lower sugar one for my husband to pack in lunches or just for myself to grab on the go. A few large bananas. The Pure Leaf teas were on sale, so I got the tea and lemonade, the peach, and the honey green tea. Again, just to throw in Matt's lunches. Dr. Pepper tall bottles were on sale, so it was like $2.50 for a 6-pack, so I grabbed that. I got Grady some of these Juicy Juice Splashers, which have the 50% less sugar. Again, for my son, a ripe pineapple, which I'm going to cut up shortly. It was like $1.89. And then a box of the Annie's Cheddar Bunny individual packs, which I'll use for on the go or at summer camp when I have to pack him a snack and a drink. So this is everything I got today, and I'll share with you guys the next haul after this. Alright, so this is mostly from Aldi with the exception of a couple things. I got this pesto aioli spread at TJ Maxx. I talk about these all the time in my husband lunch videos. $3.99, and this does last a while because it's a condiment. So I got that at TJ Maxx. Wanted to mention it because a bunch of people ask about these when I mention them in the lunch videos. I got some Science Diet hard, like the crunchy food for my cat. We've been doing the sensitive stomach and skin one for a few years now since she's gotten older. Aldi, I spent about $30. These ground turkeys are from Price Right. They were $2.50, I believe, a package. So I got one to use for turkey feta patties tonight and one for the freezer. I grabbed two because they were a good price. And everything else, I believe, is from Aldi. So I got a dozen of the cage-free large eggs. They were about $2. A big thing of carrots. This is like a 2 or 3 pound bag. Big thing of celery from Aldi. Some cherry tomatoes. Some beautiful peppers. They were like $1.79. 99-cent green onions. Big thing of broccoli. A couple things of broccoli in here. $1.29. These lattice cooked aged cheddar and black pepper kettle chips from Aldi. Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade. The light one, it was like $2.50, I believe, for this. Some Little Bites limited edition in the vanilla muffins. Some of the brioche buns. These will probably end up going in the freezer, the deep freezer downstairs, because I don't need them just yet, but I grabbed those. Some tomato and basil feta cheese that I'm going to do in the turkey patties. I also got some navy beans by Goya. These I'm going to use in a navy bean or just like a bean soup next week. I grabbed some Genoa salami just for a lunch option for Matt. Also, we like to just kind of take some out of the package and snack on it as well. Again, everything from Aldi was like 30 bucks. I think these I said were $2.50 each, and then other couple things there, but yeah. This is the groceries for the week, guys. I might need to pick up a few things here or there, but that's nothing really new. But this should get me through most of next week, and then Grady starts summer camp next week. So hopefully I'll be able to get back to like a normal size grocery haul rather than doing 2 smaller ones. But you got to do what you got to do. But anyways, let me show you my meal plan for the week, and I hope you guys all have a great week. Guys, meal plan for the first week of July. So one night I'm going to do the General Tso's in the crock pot. with the Innovation sticky rice, and then I'll do some steamed green beans. I do have a video on this, so I'll be doing that same recipe, which I'll link in the description box below. I'm going to do a navy bean soup one night. I just have to grab like a small ham steak to cut up to put in that. That's one thing I forgot at the grocery store. And then more than likely it's going to make a big batch, so I'll freeze some and I'll make a salad and bread with it. One night I'm going to do some zucchini noodles with my vegetable spiraler with some turkey mini meatballs, and then I'll do veggies or a salad. I'm going to do pineapple chicken quesadillas one night, which is pretty much just chicken quesadillas, but you add some pineapple in it. I'm going to make some yellow rice and throw some pinto beans in there, and then I'll just put out some chips and salsa. I'm going to do some pulled pork one night in the crock pot. I'm going to serve it on hard rolls, and then I'll make my potato salad with some cut up fruit. I have a video on my potato salad. I will link that below. Next week, Friday, I believe, we are going out to dinner with some friends, so I won't have to cook. And then, of course, I have my night for breakfast leftovers, or just kind of a freebie night to be creative and do what I want to do. So yes, this is the meal plan for the upcoming week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.